Good morning, everybody. It's Wardy's Screencast, and today we're really going to work on inferences with reading Kill a Mockingbird, Chapter 7. So let's get into it. Inference. It's basically you're making an educated guess to come to some conclusion. Could be to make a prediction. We talked about this before. Just to recap. So you have the evidence from the text or a picture, plus your background knowledge, which you already know, gives you an inference, makes you kind of predict something, make some kind of guess about something. You know, what I read plus what I know from my background, personal experiences, helps me get my inference. All right, you're going to use something called an It Says, I Say, So organizer. Here's how it works. You get a question. You come up with your answer. Now I want to make sure my answer is right. So I have to go back to the evidence, find it. That's what the text says. It says, what do I know about this topic? It's what I say. Put those together, I get so is my inference valid? If not, you need to go back and look at it again and hey, maybe the answer you think isn't right. For example, how would you best characterize Boo Radley? He's scary. How'd I get that? Right. It says, here's the text. Boo was about 6.5 feet tall, judging from his tracks. He dined on raw squirrels and any cats he could catch. There was a long, jagged scar that ran across his face. That was on page 16 from Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird. That's what the text says. Now I say, people generally don't eat raw squirrels or cats, it's just weird. Turkeys and chickens could be consumed, but not squirrels. Also, a scar makes him sound like he's a guy in a scary movie. So I put that together. So is my inference valid? Well, then I would answer, all right, he is scary because, and kind of you put these together and come up with your race-formatted one-paragraph response. You're going to do this today. As you read Chapter 7, you're going to see that there's some more stuff left in the Radley tree for the kids to discover. So we're going to try and determine who would think's putting the items there and why. So as you read Chapter 7, go, all right, what's my inference? What's my answer? Who's putting it there? Put in some information. What's left there? What you say about it? Another piece of evidence, or another thing that's left in the tree. What are you thinking about that? At the end, is your inference valid? If so, then complete this. If not, go back and look at it again and go, all right, my original inference, this evidence doesn't support that, but what does it support? There can be more than one answer. We're not going to know for sure. So there can be more than one answer. Just make sure you support with textual evidence in a one-paragraph race response right here. This is in Google Classroom attached to the assignment. If you have any questions, refer back to this video, see if I can help you. Again, I go back to looking at this example. And with that, Wardy is out.